This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preheating the oven to 175 degrees C so it's ready when the batter is mixed. Once done, sift 200 g flour with 50 g cocoa and 1 tsp baking powder to avoid lumps. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 120 ml milk and 80 ml oil until emulsified. This ensures moisture and structure. Make sure to measure accurately. Consistency matters. Now pour dry in. Once the batter is combined, you should check texture. It should be thick but pourable, not runny. Stir in 1 tsp vanilla and 30 g melted dark chocolate to deepen flavor and improve crumb. Make sure to scrape the bowl so nothing is wasted, then transfer to a greased 20 cm pan and tap gently to remove air pockets. This creates even baking. Place in the preheated oven and set a timer for 25-30 minutes. Watch the top for a springy touch. You remove the cake when a skewer comes out with a few moist crumbs, then cool 10-15 minutes in the pan so it sets. Once stable, transfer to a rack to prevent a soggy underside. Make sure to finish with a simple glaze or dust 50 g icing sugar for contrast. Ganache also works for richer texture. If the cake seems dense, check your oven temperature and skewer doneness. Make adjustments and bake an extra 5-8 minutes if underdone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.